Hope everyone is well. Today I'm revealing you a secret, and the secret is a secret. No, I'm joking, but first, the intro.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, guys, I want to show you why 125 is so important, why this moving average 21 that is flashing right now, right here in red and yellow, if we retrace there, I don't know when, but if we do, this is very positive because it will create a rising channel like this, which is bullish, and this will create a beautiful 1-2 second wave, maybe for to continue on the upside. But right now, what we are seeing is a rising wedge instead, and a rising wedge is a bearish pattern, especially with a declining volume that we are seeing. And we are seeing declining volume since 14th of December, but like here, we can see volumes going down, and by definition, a rising wedge tend to break down, especially when the volume is declining. And this is what we are seeing right now. As you remember, Elrond on the daily chart made a bearish divergence on the MOM, which is the momentum, made a bearish divergence on the RSI, and made a bearish divergence on the MACD, which confirmed me as a guy who really liked to work with Elliott wave, that wave 5 was here and a cycle was over. How we can see that is by, it's pretty easy. People that are following me know that. I'm just gonna repeat it very quickly. You see this line right there. This line is showing us that we made a new high right here, but on the MOM indicator we created a new low instead. On the RSI we created a new low, and on the MACD we created a new low, which is a triple bearish divergence. And those kind of bearish divergence are strong bearish divergence. This means that whatever you are putting, I'm just gonna close this very quickly. This means whatever you're putting your wave 1, 2, example, let's go on the logarithmic chart right here. Okay, 2. Let's place that quickly. You have your wave 1 here, your wave 2, which will be there. You have your wave 3 that was there, your wave 4, and this was wave 5. And right now, let's take out the Bollinger Band. Let's take out the bearish divergence right there. And right now, what we are looking for is a new wave 2. Everyone that are following me know that right now. I'm trying to figure out, a new wave 2. And this new wave 2 will be the beginning of the new cycle, which will create many opportunity on the new wave 3 here. like you see there. I'm gonna place that like this. And right here we have, with the Fibonacci, if we place our fib on the top and on the ultimate bottom, usually wave 2 love to catch the 0.5, 0.618 at $98, which is the 0.5 is at 126.49, and it can go all the way down to 0.95. This is probably not gonna happen for Elrond, but usually, you know, the minimum is the 0.5, and we were very close here to get the 0.5. And is it also possible that this would be our second wave? But this will this will surprise me a lot because it is pretty early, and this is looking more like a A wave. This is looking more like a B wave, and it's why I advise everyone here that this was probably a trap. You remember this trap was right there on the golden fib. I'm gonna inverse this. I'm gonna take out this huge one, and we've been blocked on the golden fib right here, and usually this is a B wave. Like I said, you have A, you have B, and you have C, a C wave. And how we find out C, the C wave usually is the same length of the A wave right here, okay? And we just have to figure out where is the support. And the support now that I show you, the strongest support is the moving average 21, which is right there at 125.07 right now. And also you can mix it with the Fibonacci that I show you just before, right here, Doom. Okay, around 120, sorry, I'm gonna inverse it right here. Okay, you have the 126.56 right here at 0.5. You have the 0.618 at $98.41. And usually another way to catch C wave is by putting the fib extension, trend-based fib extension. Okay, and you grab the top. I'm gonna lock this with a magnet. Grab the top, grab the bottom, grab the top of B, and now you have the 61.8 and the 100 and the 123. I'm just gonna put it right here. And also you have the 161.8. And now we see that we have a beautiful correlation right here at 58 bucks. But a lot of people are not gonna believe this. I'm not saying that we're going there, but this is a correlation that I see for a retracement, powerful retracement. So, but it can happen. And another great place will be right here. I'm gonna put my okay, this is a great support zone too, and whoops, sorry, this is a great support zone too. Is why those three zones are my top buying zone right now. If Elrond is breaking down, sorry, of this rising wedge. And how we know it, when it's gonna break down, it's when we're gonna have a confirmation that this floor, the floor of the wedge, is not supporting anymore Elrond, and that we're gonna close a candle under to confirm that this support is not good anymore and become a resistance. Okay, if we go over candle reading, what we can see right now is that we are creating now a double top, which will close only in, I mean, only. It will close in 17 days, which is pretty far away. Plenty of time anyway, but it doesn't look so good to me right now. On the 2-week, I have a double top right here, and we are still creating a new double top. But are we gonna just stop this double top by creating a new double bottom right here? This is a possibility that I see. This means that Elrond can go down to and close this 2-week chart at 149, and on the weekly chart, weekly chart, we have a double top forming, and it's gonna close in 2 days. And on the daily chart, let's find out. On the daily chart, we created a double bottom yesterday, but tonight we're gonna close. We close on a double top, which means that we are probably gonna go down and a little bit, and possible we close tomorrow around 161 to create a double bottom, or we're gonna go lower. And hope this help, guys. The people that are following me know too that I'm always taking a look at the gravity of the Bollinger Band to figure out the trend. Also combining with the gravity of the Bollinger Band, you can just if you want to see the trend, you like here, you can see on the 4-hour chart that we are creating a lower high. The trend is down, and lower lows like here. And this is very simple to understand. Also, this is very well represented by the gravity of the Bollinger Band, which tend to go down. And when the gravity of the Bollinger Band and the upper band, the mid band, and the lower band are falling like this, the midline, the moving average 21, always become very tough as a resistance and very hard to pass over to try to grab the upper band. And I'm gonna give you another example here. Take a look here how it was easy because the gravity of the Bollinger Band was going up on this side right here. And when this thing happened, the midline, the moving average 21 of the daily, it become a very strong support, and it's easier to continue the trend. And as you can see right here, we have a higher high, okay, and lower low, higher low all the time. It's why, you know, and when you start to see and you get a lower high, you can question yourself, and the trend is changing, or what is going on? And now you can see this distribution period, and when you see that the Bollinger Band is straight like this can be a distribution after a good upward, and it can also be an accumulation period when the trend has been going down since a while, like this. I'm gonna show you here, up, high, and we came down here, and you see the Bollinger Band here was stabilizing, going up, but no. And this was an accumulation period here. Okay, you can you know, you have plenty of indicators to tell you if you are in a distribution zone or in an accumulation zone. But when the Bollinger Band is straight, it's one or the other. Hope this helped, guys. A lot of information very quickly, but if you want to know my thought right now about the EGLD, you always have to double check for sure the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin you know, has been retracing a lot since 2 days. And I don't know, I see 42K for Bitcoin. Me don't know when we might gonna go higher a little, pretty possible, but I think Bitcoin is gonna go a little bit lower to try to grab the liquidity around 42K. This is what I think. And at that moment, I will not be surprised that Elrond will retrace around 126, 127. And if it doesn't hold, if it's not the moving average on the weekly chart is not holding right here, it is possible that we're gonna go lower, like I showed you before. Hope you like, guys. Thank you for being here. Leave me a comment. What do you think? Do you want me to talk about something else on the next video? Do you like how I present everything? I wish you the best. Have a great weekend, and you know, I love you. I love you. Thanks. We are more than 500 subscribers now. Really happy about that. I wish you the best of the best. Bye bye.